In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add daily close comparison strategy in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like, since we're just focused on adding the strategy itself. Once your chart is open and you can see price candles on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the button labeled Indicators. This is the main place where you can find all the built-in indicators and strategies that TradingView offers. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll see a few different sections and categories, but to keep things simple, we're going to use the search bar. Move your mouse to the search box at the top of that window. This search box is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for, especially if you already know the name of the strategy you want to add. Click once inside the search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now type in Daily Close Comparison Strategy. Make sure you spell it clearly so TradingView can pull up the correct result. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list of indicators and strategies below the search bar. You should see an entry appear that matches the name you just typed. This is the strategy we want to add to your chart. Once you see Daily Close Comparison Strategy in the results list, move your mouse over it and click on it one time. As soon as you do that, TradingView will apply the strategy to your current chart. You'll notice that a new panel appears with strategy information, such as potential entries, exits, or performance stats, depending on how the script is designed. You might also see visual markers or overlays appear on your chart that represent the daily close comparison signals. From here, you can fine-tune things if you want. In the chart legend, or at the top left of your chart, look for the name Daily Close Comparison Strategy. Next to it, you'll usually see a settings icon. Clicking that will open the inputs and style settings, where you can adjust the parameters to better match your own trading preferences, like the assets you're comparing or how sensitive you want the strategy to be. If you don't have TradingView Pro yet and you want to unlock more features, check out the affiliate link in the video description. It's an easy way to upgrade your account and support the channel at the same time.